usually when you tap on their legs, they move their feet or their hands out.
Oh, look, he's
there
moving.
There he is, slowly but surely. There he goes. Oh, he's running. See his little mouth open.
Oh.
Now watch, this is looking at him with the 2D mode. Let's see what he looks like with this 4D. I'm going to go right across his little face. And there he is.
Oh, I can't tell.
There goes his hand right back in front of his face.
Oh man, yeah.
Okay, let me try to move his little hand out of the way again.
Oh, he looks like he's rubbing his nose.
Hands right over his little nose. Let's see. Okay, after we're in the 2D mode. There's that little hand. Piggyback. There he goes.
Oh, look at back.
Almost. Does not want to give up that hand.
Just punch him.
Watch a little more on the side. It's just all the way over. His spine's on your left, so I'm trying to flip him over on his back. Okay, there he goes. Let's try this right over his little face. There he is.
Oh, he does look like, look at his little nose.